Here's the V8 X6 key cutting machine. We'll be cutting a key for a 2006 Toyota Corolla. Here are the tools that you will need. There's the original. There's the blank. Most standard key in the US. Here's tools, Allen wrench, magnet, key block, probe, cutter. Let's get started. I'm going to go over here to key search, Silca, Toyota, and go to Toyota 43D00, decode. Place tool to decoder. So this one will go in here. Get the decoder in there. Up here. Enter. Line 4. Put your block. Slot number 4. Magnet underneath, because you want the key to rest right up here on top. Give me a second. Only have 2 hands here. Get the key in there, got the probe, all lined up, tighten down. Take this crap out of here. Look up here. Now it's probing. Some stupid code right there. We're going to go to direct copy. Give me a second. Okay, I put the probe in. Got the key lined up. Clamp tightened down. Move this shit. Keys lined at number 4. I'm going to go brass. We're going to go sense skip. Replace tool to cutter, which I already did. Now it's ready to go. Okay. Don't want to touch that stuff. Cut's pretty close. Let's go see if this key works.
There we go.